Real Madrid announced some signed Jude Bellingham. Now, Obibeka said the transformation is near complete. Hey Jude, bienvenido Bellingham.
But we have to say, you know, so trendy power from now. Hey Jude, no. I is all Madrid for the hey Jude, hey Jude.
It's a big potential. Union do the level, no. But team now are come no. Kwaku guy build your moyeno. And look among the Jomoyeno. Look among the crowd or Croat. Steve McMahon born on him, and he has the potential to even develop further. Also, Akwaku
pressure beyond
but Real Madrid now born. Team Nanka so many pressure no, and some about players. No, so.
Oh, okay.
It's a fabulous signing for them. I think it's upward 100 million, but almost car, and they should buy. Real Madrid have significantly told Liverpool straight in their face, some more tier 2, yeni tier 1. Straight.
What trouble?
Look, 2 years running. Omukobi ano masho masumpa ka nkope bitina na omode mo for mo yakra. Kwaku. Na Liverpool Petrameni.
Yes.
No my bibi. No ma do Jacob me no mo say Petrameni besi me nko na we mo wow. They took Petrameni. Liverpool nko to midfielder last time amusi o debi. Omo boabo musika ni nyina no. Omo do come Jude Bellingham. This time I Catherine Thuram no mo po mo chaw. So clearly it tells you Real Madrid is that big flex. The only negative is that the European clubs cannot complain, say English clubs are flexing money.
Oh, okay.
Because 2 years running, Real Madrid have flexed this car in midfield on Aurelien Tchouameni and Jude Bellingham. Now, so share profiles, now share age, now share squad planning. BBAD dances Real Madrid at the new Guaquem to offset any future transitional problems. Casemiro ko Modric, Imre, he's on his way down. Samson Toni Kroos also is on his way down. But Valverde oho, Camavinga oho, these two were playing actively. Tchouameni also oho. For 1 year, he's learned about the culture of the club, how it operates, and everything surrounding it. Omuwe almost offer the crown jewel of the transfer market. Jude Bellingham, aside the number. Until say the person who say, even in transition and as a possession, whichever way you want to play them, Omid Mama or Tchouameni as a lone 6. Remember Valverde and Jude Bellingham as a double 8 in advanced for you behind their 3 attackers they would use. Kuku, what kind of squad planning is this?
I know Dion.
They also have a cheat code in Camavinga, ultimate ball left back. When you are attacking them, but some more attack you are, he would come and join the midfield and make it 4. So look, you'd have to give it to Joan Califat. That is his name.
Juni Califat.
Califat, excellent job. Tchouameni, he gazumed Liverpool. Jude Bellingham, okay, say December Netiana Kajem say Bellingham Madrid and Papa can say media or call Liverpool and Kajem say train.
Yes.
Honest never. Bit me agree personal terms, but can you afford the fee and the structure? To know what tier 2 who are say, oh baby, Real Madrid, about Liverpool, some papa, my friend, sit down somewhere. Hey Jude is in Spain and is a royal crown. Okay. And now no pioneer in the money who say Rafaela Pimenta or Nice office. Now me who your name is Kakra. Me who say Rafaela Pimenta or Nice office. I dare buy me 3 more and say Liverpool have run into an impasse with Nice on agreeing a fee at club level. Lilian Thuram ne e pushy Catherine Thuram call person or call Liverpool no. Nemum nipa o pushy negotiation no. Rafael Pimenta oye juma edema Mino Raiola no. Ntiene say on one they try their tour so or Nice. Clearly or wako push agenda.
They two am beba be jama
omo on their own. Omo bre to strike a fee with Nice. So he must go. Please take this off. The omo bre. That's why they need the lady to be there. Reason and che be an okwa Anfield.
Yes.
Na Ryan Gravenberch. It was a similar thing. Into no okwa Gravenberch into no okwa yes and it's following a similar pattern. Kwaku is Thuram an A-list midfielder in the transfer window?
Dabi.
And Numpo Krano Teso.
Now, there is all list and see.
We'll see.
Born in Boba.
Oh,
baby.
On your grade 1 midfielder, on your grade 2 or your grade 3 potential. For Bibi out to Chememo be on. But sad way I mean who leads me to something. Jude Bellingham assigned Eddie Ama Real Madrid. Why ne pushy deal no? Ne Papa Mark Bellingham.
Yes.
Any agent bia.
Ne Papa na ne pushy.
Mark Bellingham on one they didn't call Dortmund. On one they driving and then they call Carrington go share Manchester for no. On one they didn't call Dortmund. On one they didn't call Real Madrid no. You see the family set up there. Nini aketwa Jude Bellingham no. Ene jina ne nchen no. Honestly football no Birmingham.
There's what akwaje say teams bi mo kra pepe no.
Exact bibiri na. Ne papa our police officer or retire and an mami
abusuani ni
that's them or could be as ya Ellen Holland sign ama Manchester City no when na drive deal no
ne papa
Alfie Holland. Similarly Lilian Thuram ne mani mienu no even though Mino Raiola agency takes care of their business, but he is in charge of their sporting development. Ombe move on the chomse ko how be biabo. Marcus we know also show.
Yes.
Only Ibrahim Akonate Yamamo or call Borussia Mönchengladbach and a free agent amount 4 pen. His father will be instrumental kwa mabubida. Now, it leads me to something that I would want to complete in maximum 5 minutes. As an avid reader, but especially education materials. Nancy, what it is, and then no be will be seeking and penetrating our area home.
Oh, Matthias,
good. The AD in your pass or mine, the arts. Now, the arts, no, there were 3 branches. Your literature, books, poetry, prose, Sanyomana Yakaino, your theater arts, movie, and then your music. Sanyomamians are a big branch of the entire literary setup. Namira, say, Oshe Bibi Grumwa. Yen sem ni yen nyoma ye ni ye do na Sanyomami and Semuni defa. Until we use literature to tell our story. What I say? Now, increasingly, we are not consuming yen literature about yen Ayikuyama ama eta edu of blessed memory. Omonioma no do say na mo kan. Ghana politics. So person ti ase ya. Men ko hwe series big me ha ko bookstore. Na ka cho mo say ope money galore. Amujolete no book no. O kan bia. Ni esi sabre na amujolete o etwere no. And then the difference be enemy. Why aren't we doing that? Because we are overly dependent on foreign intruders to tell our story. Osha bro for no movies no dodo. Utie bro ni nyum dodo and o kind of book no dodo a ono mum na account story actual. I repeat, the family system we have here Kwaku is unique. O mame, o papa, o nana, wabusuafo ene sa nneoma no. Kwaku your friend support system. Inti sa kwana baby no ye bone a obi atimi twa ne to because oye ya oye ma yi nyina abofo ye sa de no ba do hwe movies na obehwe na one ne yire ne ba mienu na o makotena o mo flat mu na o mo ye say you are abandoning the very things that underpin our development as people na mo nya sa de no ebekum me share nipa bebre in my pursuit of knowledge. Na me share ababa wabako. Oh, former Swaziland and her friend is Swatini. Their friend Rachel Mafutambi. No, what could be our Troy? Many sure say article be part of home to ma. And the crown pass or almost essay system no with more literature works than that. Sa is Swatini article not Troy no, if I could have it. She makes some very profound statement. I'll make it available. Article title is The Undiluted African Community. Values, the family, orphanage and wellness in traditional Africa. Now, African community values, no. She argues in the very third paragraph, African community. third paragraph no, and a second paragraph. That colonization by superpowers have throughout history resulted in nothing more sinister than mere cultural or geographical fusion at worst, or language bastardization at its best. It is true that exploiting whites on a scale even remotely similar to what is happening in African countries is not seen before. In the spirit of Ubuntu, collective unity. Have you observed that?
No,
we are guilty of that. And we find a language bastardization.
And then the crowd be a taxi pie, I be cruel fantasy.
I don't defend the language bastardization. On all fronts. Dancing crown here, I said, if we dance and crown,
yeah.
Lampo crache, poll tax.
Yes.
Even in our etymology and now say in linguistics, no, kuku, ye bre, ye kakai. Also kaka. How different is it from what they brought? Genuinely, papa na catch say Jesus Christ. Ni treat in Jesus Christo. What did they tell? That's language bastardization. Into washa ene obi nua penny or your mom you know ba kuko dwom on buy or call bank ba kusu kodwom do fi dwom ne ba ni nua na o bank ne ma free school aba. But Omuntimi could did all because Nima man cran warning said she can't cook for them. So now look, you guys abandoning this lifestyle will kill you. And Untina boys no more they run into problems. No, they don't have a support system around them. Abruche, you need Gatwahine and I busu penny bia ho.
Davi.
Ono papanya asema moka could do a court. The players who are baby and say abrofne bomb obi e pe osika ni bi. Increasingly ya ka ba hwe onkra no ele hola nye ne papa na di enimu.
Yes.
Ba o de okoye deal as agency o manager say o papa nimu hwe sa nipa na o ya o manager na o pe osika ni bi na di. It is changing. Latin American players no mo ba mo agent but mo family no the biabo so much omo ehia who say ya Brazil from England no more party no more could do about kufie Argentina for bo so makohia Zabaleta ho no onu ni fie na no mudidi agana for ne
ma okra no ya soma odi bibi ba na adi bi show no na precision grow beje.
The social support system in Europe is non-existent. Welfare aban dia ye ha no welfare penny on nama bontu ni pepe so hwe o ma to bo na ekobo bi ka mu ba hwe na ebetima o papa betima ba no abeje bosia so ye mfa nko chenje no bi twa oto am wajai se na be ya nko fa asim bi amba. Increasingly football is telling us a story. Abofun mo ma adopting family life values no and yes ye hwe o movies and ye bastardizing them here no. We don't care about ourselves anymore.
They are called your monarchy.
And no matter
my year trim no.
I think
na and also have a fair day no more the age man.
It's as simple as
Rodrigo Muzi be sign contract or agent or baby but papa di.
Look, wash him 3 times.
Can be behind the banana.
Hendrik when any deal.
The papa ne be bia.
Too grateful.
Your basem win how can no grandpa.
There's another one from Namibia. Dr. Dion Ekane and also has a similar thing I met and also Okaya a similar thing kweku and kofu we nyinemu tom. The traditional African society is dying down because we are dependent on their literature materials. We are in for a very long ride, and the footballers and sportsmen must find a way to edit it. The community must be involved. The basic unit is the family.
Yes.
And son of nationalism or mining in Abem, nationalism is imported, building a debay. Nemum, your kinsman is divine. And you're not sure and Tom Bebo, and maybe I'll be free. So let's be careful.